right, I quickly want to show you how I'm able to set the required lot size for my trading whenever I want to trade. Okay, whenever I'm what I do is to go and be over calculating what lot size fits my trade. What I just do. So since I'm taking a trade from, for example, let's say I'm taking a trade here now, all right. So I can just say okay, just use this what's it called, this limit order, all right. Can just use this limit order, then let me switch to 5 minutes. Okay, for 5 minutes it seems like this place is already, I'm already at a mini demand zone, so I'll just click on buy from here. All right, I'll click on buy from here. Okay, I'll click on buy from here, then I'll just set stop loss. All right, in order for us to see better, let's use 15 minutes. Okay, let's use 15 minutes. So I set my stop loss. Now as you can see my stop loss here, if you see the amount showing here, okay, the amount showing here under my stop loss is telling me uh is telling me 131 dollars is the required stop loss that I have set. All right, but I don't want that. I don't want that. That is too much for this trading. Okay, that is too much for this trading. Let me change the color of my. So as you can see this place, the amount showing here is telling me $131. That is the amount of stop loss that I've set. All right, which is too much for my trade, which is too much. So what I will do is, in order for me to just get the stop loss that I want, instead of me, since this point that I have set it, I've chosen this point as the place I want to use as my stop loss, right? What I will just do, I will just come to my lot size, then I'll keep reducing the amount of lot size until it fit. You see, the moment I reduce the lot size there to 0.05, you notice that you notice that the amount here has also changed as well. It has reduced to $60, 0.05. But even if I want to still reduce it even more, all right, because in my trading rule says that I will not risk anything above $30. So normally my trading requirement is $20 per trade. All right, that's what I'm going to be using. So I will have to come here again. I'll still go back to this place again. I'll still go back to this place again. I'll still reduce it. Maybe I'll reduce it to 0.3, right? 0.2, okay, 0.25, 0.2, all right, 0.2 is good. As you can see, now that I reduce it to 0.2, you'll notice that the lot size is now reduced to $26. All right, the stop loss is now reduced to $26. Then my take profit is now um my take profit is now at 40. Maybe I set this place as my take profit. All right, it's now at $53. All right, so I can take my trade from there. Once I hit it now, that will be the required amount set for my trade. All right, but in this case now, that is for this. Okay, but what if I just want to, I just want to enter the trade aggressively? All right, so what I will just do here is just, all right, so as I was saying, so what if I want to just set I wanted to enter the market aggressively, but I still haven't cross check the required lot size that I want. Okay, I still haven't calculated the required loss, the stop loss that I want. So what I will just do, what I always do is, the moment I come to the market like this, I'll first use this thing. You see where it is now. I'll put it exactly at where the price of the market is. If I'm buying, I'll make sure that the line is showing me the buy line, but it's very close to the price area. You understand? So then I will now set a stop loss. That stop loss will now make me to know how much am I risking, yeah, from that market price that is there. Okay, now that I know that if I'm buying from where the market is now, all right, the my stop loss is very high, so I will reduce it. I'll reduce it to 0.2. Okay, I'll reduce it to 0.2. All right. Now it's showing that that is the amount I am willing to lose for my stop loss. All right. So if I buy here immediately without setting it as a limit order, I want to enter the market from here. Right. This is the lot size I should. So the moment I've done this, I'll just come now and hit buy. Once I hit buy like this, I click on the buy line, then take my stop loss to where it is. All right, because I already set the lot size. Okay, then I'll now bring that my stop loss to the targeted place that uh I want my stop loss to be, which was that $20. All right, then I will set my take profit. I'll set my take profit. All right, I'll set my take profit, and then I click on go. Okay, bam. So that is how I just do it. That is how I just do it. But again, you remember we did not do any analysis for this trade. So I'm going to be closing this trade. Okay, I'm going to be closing this trade. So I hope this video was helpful. All right. So seems like I don't know, this trade can might actually just work. All right, I'm going to be leaving this trade though. I'm going to be leaving this trade to play it out. So it's only that yeah, I think I'm going to be leaving the trade to play out. So however it goes, all right. But my all right, 1:2 is correct. So that is how we set the whole stop loss thing from our uh Metatrader 5. Okay.